Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to run or execute PHP code on mobile layout or mobile device only in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display some content on card page, but we are going to display custom code on mobile layout only. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wp code. So this is plugin wp code we are using, and we are not using pro version, we are using free version. If you are using pro version for this plugin, then you don't need this any code for mobile run. On left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste, and we are going to display this code on mobile layout only. By using this code we are going to display some content on card page on mobile layout only. Now you see if wp underscore is underscore mobile, now loop close, we are using if condition, and this code run on mobile layout only because we are using if condition wp is mobile. And you will find this code in video description, so you can add your custom code here. Now back to custom code, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and we are using if condition in our custom code wp underscore is underscore mobile. Now go to card page, so this is our desktop layout, refresh the page. Now go to mobile layout and refresh the page. So we are going to display custom code on mobile layout only. Now go to card page, you don't see any custom instruction here by using custom code. Now go to mobile layout, then on mobile layout you see custom message, don't forget to use the coupon code. So our custom code display on mobile layout only in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.